Hi, this is Marty Dougherty from the Dougherty Garden, and I'm just showing you all the seedlings and cuttings that are presently on my work area in the Dougherty Garden. These are large, I think 5-gallon pots. I'm not sure the size, but it looks like 5-gallon overall. But what I did was I took one tomato. Okay, the tomato had a lot of seeds in it, and usually the ones I get in the package, they germinate and blah blah blah. What happens though? But here, most of them germinated, and what I did was, to give you an example, I got just this one pot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tomato plants. Now they're not large, huge tomatoes, but they are tomatoes. Everybody loves tomatoes with their salad, so we're growing tomatoes. So what I have is literally 9 pots, on an average about 9 to 10 seedlings in it. And one of those pots, well, here's one. Let me just get a close look. One of those pots has cherry tomatoes. I had cherry tomatoes, and I said, let me see if it works. And sure enough, cherry tomato germinated, and we got cherry tomatoes over here. They love them in the salad, so we're experimenting, so I have no problem. And there, got literally about another 100 cherry tomatoes in there. So since we're in a grow mode over here, and this is the side of the garden, let's get going. These are all my hibiscus cuttings. Basically, I use some with root tone, some not with root tone, and literally got about 30 or 40 plants there. This is a favorite to mine. It took me a long time to get these cuttings, and I'm just letting Mother Nature take its course. Apparently, like both some, the two I have in the ground over here in the hibiscus hedge are more sheltered from the sun, so I think they like sun mostly, so I'll see what happens with them, but otherwise I'll have to cut them out of the ground. Now, getting back to my seedlings. The other day when the son came over, he had a salad, so we had not cantaloupe, I think it was cantaloupe peppers, green pepper, red pepper, not celery I didn't get, but I did get an onion. That's all back there. This is eggplant over there, eggplant seeds. There's another one of the peppers. That's a green pepper. That's a red pepper. There's more tomatoes, and there's more tomatoes. This is part of the garden, but seeds are seeds are seeds. So there's another plant over here. I'm not sure it is. All I know is eggplant, peppers, and something else growing, but I'll have to make a note on that one thing. And what do we got? What do you got, Marty? Stay awake. I think, so live or is it my next? Let me just cut it off now and I'll save it.